Okay, welcome to Precision Nutrition's weight loss topic right now is realistic goal setting. We're going to talk about outcome goals versus behavioral goals. When we talk about an outcome goal, we're talking about a goal with a number to it. For an example, for this weight loss program, let's say we're averaging 2 pounds of weight or fat off our body per week. So that would be in 12 weeks time period, 24 pounds. So I want you to stop and think about that. If in 24 pounds in 12 weeks, in 6 weeks, we're going to be losing 12 pounds. It's an outcome goal. In 3 weeks, we'd be losing 3 pounds. Again, this is something that we can document down and write down for an outcome goal. And we can continue breaking that down per week and even all the way towards each day when we weigh ourselves in to see how we're actually doing. And we know if we're pulling ahead or slightly behind, if we need to sharpen the saw. So there's an outcome-based goal. It needs to be realistic, and my recommendations is 2 pounds per week is a realistic goal for us. Let's talk about a behavioral goal. Well, behavioral goals are kind of fun because behavioral goals are what we're going to do to achieve that outcome-based goal. A couple different suggestions to start us off. One, to slow down when we eat, to fully digest the food so we get all those good nutrients that we're eating into our digestive system and to be able to nourish our body, to strengthen our muscles as we're doing our exercise program. Let's talk about the exercise program to make sure that we are consistently, and there's that word again, exercising. And so we're documenting down or writing down when are we going to exercise, what classes are we taking, what are we doing at home, and when are we doing it. That's a behavioral goal, setting up an actual date of when you're going to be doing what you're going to be doing. Drinking water. Let's talk about a behavioral goal. Behavioral goal would be saying I want to drink 20 ounces of water every 3 hours. And if you do the math to that, for some of you, you're going to be sitting right around 80 to 100 ounces of water per day. So that's very nice. Another one that I love and all the Precision Nutrition team loves is journaling what you're doing as far as your nutrition. Putting thoughts at the end of the day and how you felt you did. What things you may personally need to tweak and make modifications. And so that's going to be something to help you stay accountable. Now remember, our mantra is consistency for efficiency. So realistic goals. An outcome goal for a number, behavioral goals to achieve that outcome goal. And what we're going to continuously remind ourselves is this a consistent program, behavioral goals for me that I can do each day. And you're going to learn in the first week, maybe it's not. So we need to make a couple different changes. Okay, let's enjoy.